My name is Edu Digitals and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you top 5 best websites you can make money in 2023. This website will give you the opportunity to earn some real cash. Okay, all I want from you guys is to stick with me to the end of this video, because after this video, I assure you that you'll be making money. I would like to introduce myself for those of you that don't know me. I am Edu Digitals, and in my channel I teach people about digital marketing and how you can make real cash online. Okay, so please, if you are desperate on how to make money online, please don't hesitate to click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification button to be notified each time I drop a new video. And also don't forget to leave me a like on this video. Share this video with your friends and your family. The first website on our list today is Upwork. And now let me explain what Upwork is. Upwork is a freelance platform that connects businesses with freelancers with a variety of projects like graphic designing, video editing, and so on and so forth. It's a great way to make money by doing what you love, and it's easy to get started. All you have to do is set up your profile professionally and start bidding your project, and with that you can start making money with Upwork. Okay, the second website on our list is called Fiverr.com. Fiverr is another freelance platform that allows you to sell your products and services to customers all over the world. It's a great way to make money on Fiverr.com by doing things like voiceovers, graphic design, writing. It's also a great website for those people starting up as a freelancer. So now let's go over to the next website, which is Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a platform that pays you for doing things like taking surveys, watching videos. And when I mean taking surveys, I mean answering questions online that can earn you real money. Okay, it's completely free and easy to sign up. Please, before I go over to the next website on our list, I want you to do something for me. Please don't forget to click on that subscribe button shown on your screen right now. Turn up the notification. Now let's go over to the next website. The next website on our list is called Survey Junkie. Now, Survey Junkie is a website that pays you for doing online surveys. It's another great way to make some real extra cash in your spare time, and it's completely easy and free to sign up. The last but not the least website on our list for today is called Amazon Mechanical Turk, and it's a website that allows you to complete small tasks for pay like data entry and image labeling. It's a great way to make money on Amazon Mechanical Turk, and it's easy to get started. And there you have it, the top 5 best websites you can make money in 2023. I hope you enjoyed this video today, and don't forget to go and check out this website listed in today's video. And don't worry, I'm going to drop the links in the description below. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel by clicking on that subscribe button there, and also turn on the notification bell icon to be notified each time I drop another video like this one you just watched.